Come with us as we attend the Toronto International Film Festival's world premiere of The Wild Robot. We started off our day by going down to King Street, that's where the festival is being held. On our way down, we ran into Julia Roberts, at least that's what I've been told. I don't really know celebrities all that much, so you guys let me know down below. Anyways, we make our way to the Roy Thompson Hall, that's where the movie is being premiered. We make our way to our seats, and we are seated in the balcony. A little far, but not too bad. We are introduced to the director and the author of The Wild Robot, as well as the cast, including this fine gentleman, Mark Hamill, honestly one of my favorites. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to show the movie, but I do want to say a special shout out to Listerine for getting me these seats. Anyways, the cast came on to do a Q&A after the movie, and they just chatted about their experiences and their characters. After that, we just explored King Street some more, and there's Priya with the zoomies. Anyways, what's a world premiere without a quick review? And here are Priya's thoughts.
My honest review, 10 out of 10, pulled at the heartstrings.
Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.